went to go see Toy Story 5, got so inspired, got the songwriter zoomies. We have now produced it and I'm doing vocals.
You've seen the photos, the dreamy golden hour aesthetic that has everyone talking. But while everyone else is focused on the inspiration behind the song, as a photographer, I see something else entirely. Today, I'm stripping away the fluff to show you exactly how this shoot was constructed and why it's a masterclass in visual storytelling. Now, compare that to this. The priority here shifts from environment to pure intimacy. By using a tight focal length and positioning those tulips extremely close to the lens, the photographer has achieved the signature creamy bokeh that isolates the subject perfectly. It's the same lighting philosophy as the first shot, but executed with much more focused, portrait-centric goals. These shoots prove that you don't need complex, expensive gear to achieve a high-end look. You just need to understand how to manipulate the light you already have. Whether it's using the shade to create depth in an environmental shoot, or using foreground elements to craft a creamy bokeh in a close-up. These two techniques are the foundation of professional portraiture, and I've broken down even more steps for these kind of shoots in my book of photography challenges. And if you enjoyed this video, click here for another breakdown of Taylor Swift's photo shoots, and please subscribe if you haven't already. You won't want to miss what's coming next.